I found this today. It says, "Our happy place, welcome, enjoy your stay." I'm always saying that you can make your home your happy place. I don't care for the color it is. Let's just get started with the black. Little stoop, this teeny little porch, I guess. So here we go. This is a mixture of the Mississippi mud and sandstone. I keep going, see what happens. You never know till the end if you're gonna like it or not. Even then, I'm sometimes not sure. Okay, I think after I get it cleaned up a little, it's just going to be perfect. I'm really happy with it. I like that. How do you think it looks? I'm excited to get it up. I just hung my plaque out by the front door. I like it. I want you to see it. Okay, there it is. Okay, so as you come up to the front door, I usually have some seasonal item here on this little bench. Right now, since Valentine's is a couple weeks away, I have a hearts and such, and a little Valentine on the front door. And then here is our welcome to our happy place. Hope that gave you some ideas for your home. When you find something that you like at the store, but it's just not quite the right color, just try to make it your own by changing it up so that you do like it. Make your home your happy place. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.